Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best pocket knives and folding knives that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Pocket Knives and Folding Knives. You want a pocket knife for one seemingly simple reason: to keep on you for needed at a moment's notice to perform any number of tasks, from the mundane to the gnarly. It might be able to skin an elk or cut fruit from a tree, slice off a hunk of cheese for a friend. The best pocket knife is sharp enough to get the job done and convenient enough to bring everywhere. Number 5. Albatross EDC Cool Sharp Tactical Folding Pocket Knife. FK003 offer amazing slicing and piercing capabilities, good for tackling tough jobs. The same great, powerful blade shape has consistency and dependability. Main features: weight only 4.8, 440 stainless steel, easy and safe carry. Number 4. CRKT CEO EDC Folding Pocket Knife. A knife that's dressed for success. At first glance, it could be mistaken for a pen tucked into a shirt pocket. It embodies the working spirit of everyday carry. Main features: lifetime warranty, glass reinforced nylon handle, strong and lightweight. Number 3. Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD Black Pocket Knife. At their heart, all our pocket knives are a survival tool. At their most evolved, they have surpassed basic function to pioneer space travel. Main features: made in Switzerland, stainless steel, construction, utility and smart design. Number 2. RoverTac Pocket Knife Multi-Tool Folding Knife. Discreetly integrated safeguard prevents the blade from accidentally closing on your fingers by requiring you to push inwards to fold it. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Main features: compact and durable, easy to carry, 100% guarantee. Number 1. Victorinox Swiss Army Classic SD Pocket Knife. Compact, agile and ready to face any adventure head-on. Our range of Swiss Army knives have been established since 1897 and continue to be an icon of utility and smart design. Main features: durable construction, compact carry, trusted quality. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.